Hello, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. Actually, test bar today because we are making a pear and vanilla gin fizz using our Pear Craft Puree, which is actually packed full of real pear. And we're also using our Madagascar Bourbon vanilla bean syrup that contains the real vanilla bean. So you know it's the real deal. You see those specks in your drink and it just really pushes across, you know, the fact that this is a vanilla drink and it has the real thing in it. It's really easy to make. It's really delicious. If you've never had anything that had pear and vanilla combined together, you're really missing out. It is such a great flavor combination. The warmth of the vanilla plays really well with that mild sweetness of the pear. It's just delicious. So I really hope you give it a try. Without further ado, let's get to shaking up our cocktail. So again, really, really simple. We're pretty much just gonna combine everything but the soda water into our shaker. So just 1 pump of our Pear Craft Puree and 1 pump of our vanilla bean syrup. I'm also going to add in half of a lemon to give some tartness to this drink. As we know, pears are more on the sweet side, so we want to add a little bit more of a flavor combination here. So let's squeeze that in. Just half of a lemon. Once we have our syrup and our craft puree and lemon in the shaker, we are going to add in 1.5 ounces of gin. So I have some Hendrick's gin right here, but you can use whatever you prefer. This is typically my go-to though. Put that right on in. You know, this cocktail is a recipe that actually got me starting to like gin, because before this, no. You give me a gin cocktail, I wasn't going to try it. But this, it really just brings out that nice botanical flavor of the gin, and it's very pleasing, cozy, warm, easy to drink cocktail. Alrighty, ice time. Throw some ice on it in there. Let's throw some ice in there and get to shaking. Get our lid on, nice and tight, because we don't want it to shake our cocktail out of the shaker. All right, so we're going to set this aside for a second. We're gonna put a little bit of ice in our glass. And we will strain our cocktail on top of the ice here. Lastly, let's top it off with a little bit of soda water, because that's what gives this gin fizz the fizz. And I'm just going to garnish with a lemon wheel and a little bit of mint. Give it some color here. Nice sprig of mint. And there you have it. Pear and vanilla gin fizz. Let's give it a try. This is so good. The pear and vanilla together are just like a amazing combination. Best friends that you never knew existed. I really hope you give this drink a try. Try it with your friends, share the love, and let us know in the comments below if you do like it. We'd love to hear from you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new recipe video or any of our fun tips and tricks. You can also find us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. See you next time.